Simple interest. People deposit money in bank and earn interest on it. They also borrow money from a bank and pay interest on it. The money deposited or borrowed is known as the principal. Interest payable on deposits and borrowings is expressed as a percentage of the principal per year or annum, like 2% per annum. The technique of keeping the principal the same and calculating interest at the same rate every year for a specified number of years is known as simple interest. The formula for calculation of simple interest SI is P into T into R whole upon 100, where P stands for principal, T stands for number of years, R stands for rate of interest. The amount received or paid after the specified number of years is calculated as A is equal to P plus SI. Let's take a look on an example. Sriram deposits rupees 1 lakh in a bank for 3 years. The rate of interest is 5% per annum. What interest does Sriram receive after 3 years? Here principal is rupees 1 lakh. Time period is 3 years. Rate on interest is 5%. Now by substituting the values in the formula we get SI is equal to 1 lakh into 3 into 5 whole upon 100, which equals rupees 15,000. Sriram receives rupees 15,000 as interest after 3 years. Now look at the next example in which we will calculate the principal. Varun pays rupees 20,000 as interest to a bank after 2 years of borrowing money at the rate of 10% per annum. Calculate the principal borrowed. Here interest is rupees 20,000. Time period is 2 years. And rate of interest is 10%. Now by substituting the values in the formula we get 20,000 is equal to P into 2 into 10 whole upon 100. By calculating it we get principal as rupees 1 lakh. Varun borrowed rupees 1 lakh for a period of 2 years.